Hey everyone, Desiree here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I store my traveler's notebooks. Now I did a video on this a few years ago, and I had a question, someone asking if I still store my traveler's notebooks in the same way or if I have a new method or a new system. As you all know, I do have quite a few traveler's notebooks and I don't use them all at the same time. So the ones that I'm not using, I do store away. And I'm going to show you exactly how I do that. Now, this is a little basket that I've had for many, many years. I think I bought it like at Ross or TJ Maxx or something like that. It actually came in a set of 3. There's a smaller one and a bigger one. And I don't know the brand or how much it costs because it's been so long. But let me see if I can show you. So you can see that it's kind of an oval shaped basket, and then I've got my notebooks kind of stuffed in there. And I don't want to make you too dizzy with the camera moving around, but basically what I do is I have these little canvas pouches, and then I keep my notebooks in the canvas pouch. And I don't take out the inserts. Like if I'm just not using a notebook and I want to store it away and use a different one, most of the time I'm going to keep the inserts in there because I found that those particular inserts work for that particular notebook, and so I just keep them in there. And then if I want to change them out, when I decide to use this notebook again, I'll do that. But for the most part, I just leave the inserts in there. So these are like the little canvas pouches. I bought, I think, a pack of these on Amazon, and they weren't that expensive. I'll leave a link in case you are interested. But that's what I do because, as we know, sometimes some of the dyed leathers can transfer. The color can transfer onto other leathers or other notebooks depending on how they're stored or if they're in direct sunlight and that type of thing. Some of them I don't put in a canvas pouch, like if they're in between, like this one is. So I'll just kind of slide it in there, and this one doesn't have inserts in it. And not all of them have inserts. This is my Foxy Fix Everly that's in there. I do have some more Foxy Fix. Now, if they are like the same leather and the same color, I'll go ahead and store them together because I don't worry about, the leathers touching or the colors rubbing off or anything like that. This is a Mystics Little Gifts. Now, Mystics Little Gifts does not give you dust bags when you buy her notebooks, so I just, I have my own and I store it in there. Same with these here. And you just kind of collect these dust bags as I have over the years of buying traveler's notebooks and selling traveler's notebooks. And then on the other side of the basket, here you can see these I don't have in a dust bag. Now these are ones that this one is one that I kind of go in and out of. I'm not in and out of this one every day. I shared this notebook in my side hustle planning video. So this one comes out from time to time. This one I'm not using. I don't know why I don't have it in a dust bag. This is my Midori. I don't have this one in a dust bag either, but this one should be. So I need to find one for that. But yeah, this isn't all my traveler's notebooks, obviously. These are just my Narrows and my B6s. My A5s, I keep them on a shelf. They're not in a basket. They're just on a shelf, kind of stacked, alongside one another. But this is how I store my notebooks, and it's been working for a few years. I've never had any issues. I've never had any of my notebooks, get damaged, or I've never had any color transfer issues. I've never had any problems storing my notebooks this way. And like I said, I I want to say, I can't remember how long ago that video was. I want to say it's at least 3 years old. But I'm still doing the same system. It's working. And yeah, I guess that's it. So I hope this answers the question of how I store my traveler's notebooks. I've tried a few other ways and nothing seems to work for me like this one does. And plus this makes it really easy to find. When I'm looking for a particular notebook, you know, it makes it easy for me to just pick one out. All right, everyone. Well, that's it for this video. If you're not subscribed, please make sure you do so, because I do have a lot more videos to come. If you have any questions or comments about this, feel free to drop those down in the comment section below. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I'll definitely see you in the next video. Bye.